Hello, welcome to the Better English Pronunciation in 30 Days video series, presented by the American English Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to practice making the t sound, as in table. The t sound is similar to the d, except we don't use our vocal cords. To make the t sound, begin by bringing the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. It should be placed behind your front teeth, but not touching them. Next, we're going to force air onto the spot where your tongue touches the roof of your mouth. As you do this, you're going to flick your tongue down and force the air out of your mouth. T. You try to make this sound. T. Here are some words that use the t sound. Repeat after me. Talk. Talk. Toy. Toy. Start. Start. Hat. Hat. Alright, now I'll give you a phrase so that you can practice using this sound in the beginning, middle, and end of words. Every night I study until I am tired. Every night I study until I am tired. Try to repeat this phrase 10 times a day for 5 days in a row. You might notice that the T does not always make the same sound in the beginning, middle, and end of words. When the T is in between two vowels, it often makes the D sound, as in better. This is the end of our pronunciation lesson. Remember, to get the best use out of this video series, you need to repeat the phrase 10 times a day for 5 days in a row. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.